Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use DraftKings accounts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your DraftKings app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is type on the rewards option, and once you tap on rewards option here, you need to select the tab my rewards, and once you're inside here you will be seeing your accounts, and then right beside it you will be seeing your redeem now option. Now all you got to do is click on redeem now, and once you click on redeem now you will be given the options to redeem your crowns. Either you can redeem it by converting it into DK dollars or into casino credits. So let's just assume you selected DK dollars, and once you tap on it here, all you gotta do is just simply select the amount, how much amount you want to redeem, and then click on redeem. And once you do that, you'll be asked for the confirmation. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on confirm, and now your crowns has been converted into DK dollars, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.